Assalamu alaikum, guys. So, welcome to another vlog of my Ramadan series. Today, I will share with you all how I prepare frozen food items in advance for Ramadan so that I give more time in ibadah and less time in kitchen, along with good iftari for my family. So, I always make sure that I prepare some kebabs and use it when needed. These kebabs are specially made in India and Pakistan, known as Shami kebab and shikampur. Shami kebabs are easily made and frozen, and can be used for quick and easy iftari or suhoor. Next is samosas. Samosas can be prepared in variety, and it can be prepared with different fillings. Fillings can be in the form of minced meat, that is keema, or cheesy samosas, which is filled with mozzarella shredded cheese, and another filling is lebna. Lebna can be easily found in supermarkets, and you can use it for filling in samosa. Samosas can be frozen for many days, and the best thing is we can enjoy these delicacy whenever we like. It is just a simple right way to be chosen. Samosa can be prepared by two methods, either by traditional way of deep frying in oil, or you can make it more simple and healthy by air frying it, which is the best quick, simple, and the most healthiest method of cooking. If you want to know my recipe of Shami kebab or air-fried cheese or minced meat, that is keema samosa, do visit my vlog or subscribe to my channel. Coming back to these food items of iftar and suhoor, I would like to share with you how I freeze it by keeping it in plastic bags, which are very useful and helpful for storing these food items like samosa and kebabs. Plastic bags can be easily found in supermarkets. I enjoy making these items of Ramadan. Ramadan comes every year, and this is the time we can enjoy these food items and serve it to our loved ones. Ramadan is a holy month, which is usually of 29 or 30 days, in which every day we need to fast from Fajr prayer till Maghrib prayer, that is from dawn to dusk. So getting back to these iftari food items, I wrapped it all in plastic bags, and I will be storing it in freezer for my easy use. Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, "If a woman gives from the food that is in her house without causing any damage, that is without spending unreasonably, she will have a reward for what she gave, and her husband will have a reward for what he earned, and the storekeeper will have a similar reward, without the reward of any of them detracting from the reward of the others at all." So guys, if you like my today's Ramadan episode, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to watch more of Ramadan series. So take care all, and wish you all a blessed Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum.